Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this look right here, obviously. My final festival look. I did do a poll on Instagram and people wanted one more, so I came up with this, but I'm glad I got to do it for you guys. It is inspired by, if this picture comes back up, I doubt it will, Rosie Kilvert. This is her eyeball right here. I liked the glitter and the gloss. So that's what I wanted to do for you guys today, obviously with a little bit of a twist in it. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this, please keep watching. Hello. Hi. Oh, this is all gonna go away into makeup. It's gonna be great. I really gotta call the dermatologist. Okay, so I'm going to prime my eyes, fast forward through this. Now I have to find this picture. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit more. There we go. Okay. So this is my inspiration today. I believe this is by Rosie Kilvert. Thank you for inspiring me. I'm gonna do something along the lines of this, but you know, obviously we're gonna make it a little bit different. So I do love that pink color, so I'm going to go in with Love Letter right here. From the Modern Renaissance palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills, one of my favorites. And what am I gonna take? I'm going to actually do this with my R39, this really fluffy one. We're just gonna start packing that on the lid. Otis is very concerned. Kind of look like I got punched in the face. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. flat liner brush and pack it where I would put my eyeliner because for some reason my lids don't like to hold pigment there. It's very annoying. And I'm just gonna blend this out. It is looking a little chunky in the crease area, so I just wanna make this as seamless as possible. Even though if you did wear this out in the desert, you would very much so like sweat your face off. Now the same thing with the other eye. It's always easier on the second one than it is on the last one, or the first one. What am I saying anymore? So, I gotta switch batteries now because everything's running low.
2 hours later.
So, I actually decided to go ahead and do my whole face and just focus on the eyes for the end here and the rest of what I'm doing for this look because I had to wait for my batteries to charge. And well, I was just gonna sit around and do nothing. Plus, you all have seen my face routine plenty of times. So, I guess run through. I used the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer right here. And then I put the CoverFX Custom Enhancer drops all over my face underneath. And these are in the shade Celestial. And then I'm giving the CoverFX Power Play foundation another shot because when I wore it to the wedding expo on Sunday, my nose did something weird. So I'm trying to see if it's because I didn't use a powder or... No, I did use a powder. Using a different powder today. So we'll see how it goes. But I do really want to like this because I've heard really great things about it, but recently foundations have been giving me trouble, especially around my nose. Highlighter wise, I picked up the Physicians Formula Power Palette Mineral Glow Pearls in Beige Pearl. I'm really liking it right now. Doesn't seem too bad. And then my bronzer, of course, is my Anastasia Beverly Hills in Rich Amber. Lips, I went in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Naked 2, and then I went over it in the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in Driver. Jamie Genevieve wore this color in one of her videos, so of course I had to go out and buy it. Brows are what I always do as well. So now to complete the rest of this eye look, we're gonna do something a little bit different. I did want to do a glossy lid, but I also wanted to see if I can make it a little iridescent, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Moon Jelly. Very, very excited to see if this will come out how I want it to. There's highlighter all over my hand. So I'm gonna take it on this R42 brush, just a flat brush. Let's try this a different way. Such a weird noise. I like that. Some shiny iridescent lids. Oh, that was really sticky on my eyelid. So now I'm gonna take this NYX Glitter Brilliant in Ice, and I'm gonna just dump this on the back of my hand, I guess. And take my finger and tap this in the middle of the lid, mostly. It's getting on my lashes. What do we think? I like it. I like it a lot. And then, actually, I need to thin this out a little bit more. There's gloss there. I'm just deepening this up because I want it to stand out a lot. Obviously, the eyes have been a focus for me for all of these looks. I'm just gonna put a little bit of gloss right here underneath because I want something sticky for the glitter to hold on to. I'm just gonna pop some right here underneath on the sides of my eye. But then I'm going to take that Glitter Injections Sirena glitter highlighter using my finger. Just gonna pop some on the lid. Get some stars on there, hopefully. There's one. And then also tap some under here. Try not to lose the gloss though, that's all. No, not that high. I fucked up. I like that a lot. Okay, so now comes the fun part. I bought some face jewels. I think I showed them in my last video. I don't remember. But I want to do some face jewels because Coachella. And what is Coachella without face jewels? Now I'm trying to remember how I even wanted to do these though. Okay, figured it out. Now we're gonna do face jewels. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could leave this look as is. It is still very Coachella. I have a couple here. I picked them up from Michael's, or any craft store you can find them in. I'm going to be using lash glue to put these on my face. So I'm taking this big one right here and coating it on the back with some glue. Don't really know what else you would use, honestly. Real glue? But I don't know if that'd be good for your skin. So I'm just gonna, this is massive. Hello Coachella, I guess, right? There you go, that's the whole look. We're done. That's a wrap. Just kidding. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to play with these. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through this, probably fast forward through it. Please don't pop off my head. Wow. Now my hands are all sticky. Alright, well, this is basically it. Again, face jewels are optional. I would probably never wear these, just being honest. But this is it, the final festival look. Some of you are gonna be really happy, some of you might not be as happy. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in and hanging out with me and watching me literally fuck up my face right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go now. I have to go plan a shoot with my friend. If you enjoyed watching this, please give it a like. If you want to see more videos with me in them, go ahead and subscribe, and you can hit the bell icon right down there. And you'll get notifications every time I post. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Coachella. really want to rip these off my face.